Life can be hectic, but staying fit doesn't have to be time-consuming. With just 5 minutes, you can boost your energy, improve your strength, and maintain your fitness even on the busiest days. In this video, we'll show you 5-minute workouts designed for busy people that can be done anywhere, no gym required. Why 5-minute workouts work? Short workouts might seem too brief to make a difference, but research shows that even quick bursts of exercise can boost metabolism, improve mood by releasing endorphins, strengthen muscles and increase flexibility. Consistency is key, and these routines are perfect for sneaking in fitness throughout your day. 1. Full body cardio blast. This routine gets your heart pumping and activates major muscle groups. Jumping jacks, 30 seconds. Jump with arms and legs spread wide, then return to the starting position. Benefits: boosts cardiovascular health and warms up your body. High knees, 30 seconds. Jog in place, lifting your knees as high as possible. Benefits: improves stamina and engages core muscles. Burpees, 30 seconds. Start standing, drop into a push-up, jump back up, and repeat. Benefits: combine strength and cardio in one powerful move. Mountain climbers, 30 seconds. In a plank position, alternate bringing knees toward your chest quickly. Benefits: strengthens core and improves coordination. Cool down stretch, 30 seconds. Reach for your toes and stretch arms above your head. Benefits: reduces tension and increases flexibility. 2. Office-friendly chair workout. Perfect for those stuck at a desk all day. Seated leg raises, 30 seconds. Sit on a chair and straighten one leg at a time, holding briefly. Benefits: strengthens lower body muscles. Chair dips, 30 seconds. Use the edge of your chair to lower and lift your body. Benefits: tones triceps and shoulders. Desk push-ups, 30 seconds. Push against a sturdy desk at an angle. Benefits: builds upper body strength. Seated twists, 30 seconds. Sit upright, twist your torso side to side while holding a water bottle. Benefits: engages core muscles. Neck rolls, 30 seconds. Slowly roll your neck in a circular motion. Benefits: relieves tension and promotes relaxation. 3. Body weight strength circuit. Strengthen and tone your muscles using just your body weight. Push-ups, 30 seconds. Perform standard or knee push-ups depending on your fitness level. Benefits: strengthens chest, shoulders, and arms. Plank, 30 seconds. Hold a plank position, keeping your body straight. Benefits: targets core muscles. Squats, 30 seconds. Lower your body as if sitting in a chair, then return to standing. Benefits: builds leg and glute strength. Lunges, 30 seconds per leg. Step forward with one leg, lower into a lunge, and return. Benefits: improves balance and tones lower body. Standing side crunches, 30 seconds. Raise one knee while bringing the opposite elbow toward it. Benefits: engages obliques and improves stability. 4. High-energy Tabata. Tabata is a form of high-intensity interval training, HIIT, involving 20 seconds of intense activity followed by 10 seconds of rest. Jump squats, 20 seconds on, 10 seconds rest. Explode into a jump from a squat position. Benefits: builds power and burns calories. Push-ups, 20 seconds on, 10 seconds rest. Perform as many push-ups as possible. Benefits: tones upper body. Burpees, 20 seconds on, 10 seconds rest. Combine strength and cardio in this dynamic move. Plank, 20 seconds on, 10 seconds rest. End strong with a core stabilizing plank. 5. Stretch and relax routine. Sometimes a gentle routine is all you need to feel rejuvenated. Forward fold, 30 seconds. Stretch your hamstrings and back by folding forward. Cat-cow stretch, 30 seconds. Alternate between arching and rounding your back. Side stretch, 30 seconds per side. Extend one arm overhead and reach to the opposite side. Child's pose, 30 seconds. Sit back onto your heels with arms extended forward. Deep breathing, 30 seconds. Inhale deeply through your nose and exhale slowly through your mouth. Tips for success: stay consistent. Even 5 minutes a day can lead to long-term benefits if you stick to it. Mix it up. Rotate between these routines to keep things fresh and target different muscle groups. Set a timer. Use your phone or a fitness app to ensure you stay on track. Incorporate throughout the day. Break your workouts into multiple 5-minute sessions if needed. Final thoughts: staying fit doesn't have to mean hours in the gym. With these 5-minute workouts, you can maintain your health and fitness no matter how busy life gets. Try these routines and let us know in the comments which one is your favorite. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick and practical health tips. Here's to staying fit, anytime, anywhere.